Secret underwater cities, exploring nature's wonders like never before. Are you ready to delve into the depths of the ocean and uncover the hidden mysteries of underwater cities? Join us on an exhilarating journey as we explore nature's most awe-inspiring wonders like never before. In this video, we will take you on an immersive adventure into the enigmatic world of underwater cities, revealing their fascinating secrets and intricate architectural marvels that have remained hidden for centuries. Get ready to be amazed by the stunning visuals and astonishing discoveries that await you beneath the waves. Let's go! Underwater cities. Nature's wonders. Explore the sea. Architectural marvels. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on extraordinary expeditions to unravel the mysteries of our world. In today's episode, we are taking you on an unforgettable journey to explore the secret underwater cities that lie beneath the ocean's surface. Get ready to witness nature's wonders like never before. Unveiling the hidden world. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, a hidden world lies undiscovered by most of us. But today, we are diving into the depths of the sea to explore the mesmerizing underwater cities that have captivated explorers and scientists alike for centuries. These secret underwater cities have a rich and enigmatic past, dating back thousands of years. Lost civilizations and ancient cultures once thrived in these sunken realms, leaving behind traces of their existence. Prepare to be astounded by the architectural marvels that lie beneath the waves. These underwater cities boast intricate structures and breathtaking designs, showcasing the ingenuity and brilliance of ancient civilizations. What secrets do these underwater cities conceal? From hidden chambers to mysterious artifacts, we will uncover the secrets buried beneath the depths, shedding light on the lives of those who called these cities their home. Explorers swimming through underwater tunnels, discovering ancient treasures. Have a window into nature's wonders. Exploring these underwater cities not only unravels the mysteries of the past but also offers us a unique glimpse into the wonders of nature. The vibrant marine life, thriving coral reefs, and delicate ecosystems surrounding these cities remind us of the interconnectedness of all living beings. Feel the breathtaking underwater footage of diverse marine life and colorful coral reefs. Hope you like our video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure to the secret underwater cities. We hope you were as fascinated by nature's wonders as we were. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations and to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Until next time, keep exploring.